In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add your Gmail account to Outlook and configure it using Imap. Whether you're using Outlook 2016, 2019, 2021, or Microsoft 365, this straightforward guide will walk you through the process step by step. Let's begin by launching Outlook on your PC. Once you've opened Outlook, direct your attention to the top menu bar. You'll want to click on File and then choose Add Account. This will be your entry point to enrolling your Gmail into Outlook seamlessly. Now, when the Add Account window presents itself, type in your full Gmail address and then hit Connect. This step is crucial because it signals Outlook to initiate the connection process with your Gmail account. Be prepared, as a Google sign-in window will pop up, and here's where you should enter your Gmail credentials. If there's a prompt, you'll need to grant necessary permissions by clicking on Allow. This permission essentially lets Microsoft access your Gmail account, ensuring a smooth data transfer between the services. You'll notice that Outlook will take it from here, automatically detecting the IMAP settings without any need for manual configuration. This automation is a wonderful feature that simplifies the synchronization of your Gmail account with Outlook, making sure that your inbox, sent items, and other folders all sync up efficiently. Now that everything is set up, confirm the process by clicking Done to complete the integration. With that, you should have your Gmail account fully connected to Outlook, with all your folders readily accessible. And there you have it. With these simple steps, Outlook is now synchronized with your Gmail, and you'll find that it automatically refreshes with your emails and folders, making your email management seamless and efficient. This integration not just streamlines your email usage, but opens up the features of Outlook to better manage your communications. If at any point you need additional assistance or run into issues, referring to Microsoft Support's documentation, specifically regarding adding a Gmail account to Outlook, can provide you with help. Technology is continually evolving, so make sure to keep both Outlook and your related apps updated for the best performance. Using this method not only enhances your organization by centralizing your emails, but also utilizes Outlook's robust features to improve your productivity. Enjoy managing your emails on Outlook with ease now that you have your Gmail account fully set up. Thank you for watching, and if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips and guides. Until next time.